Hi, welcome back to Love's Tale. So here today we are going to see about slime. Let's get into the video. Now take a bowl or a glass cup. Add 1 by 4th of the cup of water. Now add 3 tablespoons of atta, that is roti flour. Now I am going to add a homemade paint which I have done in my last video. I have given the link in the description. You can also use the ready-made paint which is sold in the shop. Now mix them. Add the flour little by little until you get the fine paste. Now add 2 pinches of the salt to the paste. Now refrigerate for 2 hours. Take a plastic wrapper. For smoothness, I am going to add a talcum powder. You can use anything. Continue to mix it with your hand. After you get a duff like roti duff, add 2 tablespoons of oil and continue to mix it with your hand. Thanks for watching.